Apps like PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App have made it easier to transfer money to friends and family. But they don't allow you to pay in store unless you have a debit card. Well, why do you have these apps? Because a friend told you to download it to split the bill at a restaurant, to pitch in for a family gift, or to pay someone back when you forgot your wallet. Imagine if you could use an app to do all of that. Allow you to pay from your phone in stores, receive instant cash back, and earn cash back by referring others to do the same thing. Introducing Dnero, the app that allows you to pay in stores using your phone and receive instant cash back. Here's how it works. Download the app. Sync your debit card, credit card, bank account, or fund with cryptocurrency. Load funds onto the app instantly. Then, spend and share freely from your smartphone. Use Dnero at participating retail stores and receive up to 3% instant cash back. If you refer others to do the same thing, by simply sharing your link, you'll earn 1% of their spend. And if they refer others, you receive an additional 0.5% of their spend. Additionally, if you refer a business to Dnero, you will receive 0.75% of all the transactions going through the app at that business. It's that simple. You have a smartphone. Don't you want smart money? Dnero.